Hacienda in 28101 of the Palms Casino.
First room we got here is the computer room.
I think there's only probably maybe one person who I never actually really saw over here, and that was probably Alton. I don't think I really saw him over here that much.
Yeah, you gotta know how to type, to be honest.
Yeah. Here's our living room. This is where we spent many nights here playing a little bit of Monopoly and Clue.
You fucking bastard. Who won the most of those?
Yeah, over here we have pool.
You have no idea how much pool you can play when there's no television or radio in your house. Get out of there.
No.
Nice.
I didn't kick my roommate's ass.
All right, now me. This is kind of just another space for us to all come hang out. Sometimes we would come out here and sleep when it was, you know, a little bit too noisy in our rooms from other things going on. One of our other contacts to the outside world rides behind these lovely pillows.
One of our favorite recordings in the world.
Broadcast. If you consent, please continue.
Many memories come from this area of the house, especially the dishes. Dishes were not a very good thing in the house.
No.
We either broke a lot or just didn't do them. Here we have the kitchen, the stove, and the refrigerator. And this is where Stephen and Frank spent the least amount of time, besides eating tuna fish and cereal, which didn't really consist of using any pots, pans, and or appliances. This is where we spent lots of our nights coming home from the clubs and had our little gatherings and kind of recuperated from a long evening out at the clubs.
So many meals were left on this table just to rot for 3 or 4 days.
Pretty much. Bathroom. 3 sinks for 7 people. This area was very messy most of the time. It's a girl thing. We also have our toilets.
The only 2 rooms without cameras in them.
Many mornings were spent here recuperating from the night before.
You know what I never understood necessary? Why the hell is there a mic in this bathroom? What am I doing in here that any of you need to hear? Nothing too interesting.
In here we have our showers. Kind of like high school. We've got 2 large showers, 2 heads, and 1 in this one. Sometimes you took a shower alone, and sometimes you took one together.
Oh, the privacy that a small sheet of glass can provide you sometimes.
In here we have our laundry facility. This is where Frank was diversionized on doing laundry.
I'll always have that with me.
This is where we spent many of our, well, not many, but quite a few of our nights kind of having a little cocktail, some bubbles, and a few bikinis and or nothing.
You know, I definitely would have jumped in on those threesomes once or twice. I just don't remember being invited.
Yeah.
I am such a fucking punk.
Anyways, like I was saying, over here we have Irhan and Arissa's room. Got me on.
This was the room everyone wanted, the 7 Deadly Sins room.
I'm pretty concerned that there was a little bit of action taking place in this room, as well as the other rooms I'm about to show you.
Just a little bit. Thankfully, Alton actually spent the last month or so in here, so his snoring ass got the hell out of my room.
This is mine and Trishelle's bedroom. We had a lot of shagging going on in this lovely jungle room with our little tiggers.
I would have spent a little bit more of those nights with you if you just wouldn't have been rejecting me so often, Brynn.
All right, Frank, you do the deeds.
The infamous triple.
The dirty ass triple, I might add, that stank.
Lots
so
of
bad.
memories were spent here. I remember sitting in this room, you know, you got Steven and Trishelle doing God knows what in this bed. Alton and God knows who doing whatever in this bed. And then Frank and his air filter. Yeah, come to Papa. Oh, yeah.
And And last but not least, we have our trusty confessional. We confessed all of our Vegas sins.
You know, I confess that this was my favorite room in the house. In the beginning, they called me the confessional king because I could spend hours and hours in here bitching and moaning about what my roommates had done
And
to me.
talking. Frank's a talker.
Trishelle, trash. And Steven's trash.
Thanks for seeing our house, the real world Las Vegas, Sin City. It was
Join us
many
again
sins
sometime.
and many more to follow.
Thank you.
Frank really wants to make out with me. What?